Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you are watching Corpbiz. Today we are going to talk about the BIS registration for detergents. Detergent, a component used to clean clothes. Have you ever thought it can cost to your consumers? A detergent may contain alkyl aryl type such as sodium salts of alkyl benzene sulphonic acid, which may be harmful to skin because it lingers in the fabric and rubs off on the skin. Considering this harmful effect, the Bureau of Indian Standards introduced Indian Standards 4955 is to 2001 to eliminate all the toxic elements from the detergent to determine suitability of a new formulation or of a new raw material used in old formulations on the skin through prescribing necessary tests under Indian Standards 11601 Part 1, while Part 2 of Indian Standard 11601 prescribes the methods of test for skin sensitization. Potential of synthetic detergents need to be followed. Furthermore, in order to label a detergent as environmentally friendly, an eco mark must be applied to the product as mandated by the Ministry of Environment and Forestry. Though BIS registration for detergent is required, it should be noted that obtaining a BIS certification for detergent is optional rather than mandatory. However, as the professional, we recommend that you complete your BIS registration to ensure a high quality product and consumer safety. Let's talk about the various BIS schemes and which scheme is applicable for detergents. Let's understand each of the certification schemes in brief. ISI certification scheme ensures that a product complies with the established Indian standards, thus ensuring conformity with the standards and safety of the final consumer. On the other hand, the FMCA certification scheme is applicable to foreign manufacturers to ensure that foreign manufactured products comply with Indian standards. Though it is to be noted that ISI and FMCS are similar in many respects, one such respect is product under their purview. Both certification schemes include products like cattle feed, cement, food products, and many more. Conversely, if we talk about CRS, is applicable to electronically produced products, be it domestically or internationally. Some of the examples of products under CRS purview are mobile phones, electronic products, and more. Although there might be a possibility that you might need to obtain an EPR2 for e-waste management. Out of mentioned BIS certification scheme, ISI and FMCA certification schemes are applicable to the BIS certification for detergents. With that, let's understand how to get BIS certificate for detergent. Now, we will be talking about how to apply for the BIS certificate for detergents. Firstly, let's talk about the ISI certification. The application form needs to be filled out. Further, a factory inspection will be conducted for the assessment of manufacturing infrastructure, production process, quality control, and testing capabilities. During an inspection, a product sample will be drawn for testing in a third-party laboratory. To review the test report of the product sample will be used. Finally, you can obtain the certificate if your product complies with the latest standards. As we have discussed about the process for ISI certification, let's also talk about the FMCA certification scheme. The application form will be duly filled accompanied by the required documents. Along with form submission, a requisite fee will be paid. Then a factory inspection will be conducted to verify the manufacturing and test infrastructure. During factory inspection, the sample of product will be drawn from independent testing. Once the inspection and independent test report verify that the product is complying with the BIS standards, the registration process will move forward. Before the grant of license, the applicant has to pay the license fee and the advance minimum marking fee. After making payments, the agreement indemnity bond will be signed and the $10,000 performance bank guarantee must be furnished instantly after a grant of license. The FMCA certificate will be issued if a product complies with the BIS standards. So, this was all about the topic. For more such content, keep watching Corpbiz. This is Yash Saxena signing off.